Hiya, my name's Elinor. I'm the community engagement at the Botanics for the Edinburgh Garden project. I usually work with community groups that come and learn how to grow vegetables in Scotland.
Hi, I'm Ben. I work here at the Botanic Gardens in Edinburgh. I'm a community gardener. My main role is to inspire people about plants and the importance of plants in their everyday lives, and the way we do that mainly is through growing fruit and vegetables.
This year obviously it's been a bit different. We haven't been able to have the groups in here, but we decided we're going to continue growing the vegetables and donate them to food banks. Lately we've had the loan from Sustrans Scotland, the electric bike, which has made the job much easier, because that means we can either take the vegetables on the panniers, or if we got a lot of vegetables we can just take them in the trailer. So one week, for example, I had like 32 kilos of vegetables going up a hill against the wind. I didn't even feel it. It's great.
It's been brilliant for delivering the veg, because before we had the bike we were using, well, sometimes we had to drive, sometimes they had to come here to pick the veg up, sometimes we even had to get a taxi to take the veg down, so it's been great having the cargo bike.
I've got my own push bike, and I have to admit I was a little bit apprehensive about the idea of using an electric bike, but I am now a convert. What I like about the electric bike is that it does feel much safer. The tires are much bigger. When you're at the traffic lights, you feel like you're starting with the traffic, you're not left behind, so cars kind of notice you more. And having the trailer as well, it makes you really feel like you are the size of a van. So they really have to think twice before they take over. They don't just try and squeeze in between the cars. So I do feel really safe riding the electric bike. And now we fight over who's going to take the delivery, because it's such a good fun.